Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Netflix subscription, the email on file, and the password. Open the Netflix app or navigate to Netflix. And choose your profile immediately. Do not linger on menus. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once done, make sure playback begins and your profile appears. If prompted, accept device permissions for downloads. Also, plan to enable two-step verification in account settings afterward to protect access. This prevents accidental sharing and secures your sessions. You now configure the core settings that control your viewing. Choose or create a profile, set maturity restrictions, and pick language preferences so recommendations match. Next, check your plan details to confirm the number of simultaneous streams allowed, 1 to 4. Then set streaming quality to save mobile data or maximize picture clarity. If you want offline viewing, download episodes to a supported device and confirm available storage. Once configured, make sure devices are named clearly in account settings so you recognize active sessions. You finish by securing and resolving common problems. Sign out of devices you no longer use from account-managed devices to free slots and stop unauthorized viewing. If you spot unfamiliar activity, reset the password immediately and choose a strong, unique passphrase, then enable two-step verification to lock things down. If playback won't start, restart the app and device, update the app, and check your connection speed. If issues persist, clear the app cache or contact Netflix support for a guided fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.